Hey there my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's Nest. For those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalism videos. So today's video is actually going to be a viewer request, and that is a house tour. So I'm going to be showing you guys the new apartment, and I'm really excited because everything is finally filled in. There's no more empty spaces. Will and I have been here for about 1 month, so it's all like cozy and comfortable, and I feel like I can show you guys. So without further ado, let's just get into the apartment tour. Let's get it, let's go. Okay guys, so here we are at the door, and the entrance leads in from the garden, as you guys probably saw in the empty apartment tour. So let's go right into the house. Alright, here we go. Welcome. Okay, let's take off our shoes. So this is the shoe rack when we first enter the door, and then over here is like the closet. It's really nice because we have like this bar here where we put all of our jackets, and then here's my cozy slippers, and then here's Will's slippers. Then we have this really nice monstera plant that's kind of recently been dying, but no worries, we'll revive it. Over here, this is where IE keeps her soaps. Then over here we have Will at the couch. Hi Will, do you want to say anything for the camera?
Welcome to the Cobra's Nest.
Welcome to the Cobra's Nest. So yeah, the couch is not ours, the landlord's, but the little furry thingy you guys have probably seen in other videos is what I used to put on my chair. So we just put it on top, so it's a little bit more furry. And then in true minimalism fashion, we turned the workout gear also into like the footstool thing. Speaking of workout gear, over here we have the gym. So this is also known as Will's gym. So funny, he loves that. Makes him laugh every time. So it's just like these barbells that Will got. Oh, dumbbells? Oh, I'm sorry. They're heavy and I lift them. That's all I need to know. And you can adjust the dials. Will obviously uses much heavier than I do, so it's really good. It's like a 2-in-1 kind of thing. And then we have like a foam roller over here. And then our gloves. This is his gloves. These are my gloves. And then I also keep a tiny little tablet. It's actually my Note 4, and I turned it into my tablet for when I work out. So this is pretty much the living room. This is what it looks like. It's still pretty spacious. I mean, a lot of the furniture isn't even ours, it belongs to the landlord. So this is Will's area. I'm not gonna go into too much depth because obviously it's not my space, but as you can see, it's kind of like his man cave. He's got his barbells there. He's got his like workstation. He's like laughing as I'm filming this. And then he also likes to like sit here and relax. So this is pretty much like Will's zone. Okay, now if we go to the other side of the living room, we have this desk, which is like for anybody to do anything that they want. Usually this is where I work if I'm not in the room. And then over here we have 2 cabinets. These are just kind of like, since there's no other storage in the house, we just keep like random bathroom stuff in there. And then over here, this is the dinner table, chairs for everyone to sit. So let's take you guys into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. This is like pretty much IE's zone, as you guys can see. She like makes her soaps here and she cooks here. So let's show you guys. So that's recycling. Over here we have the rice cooker and we have the coffee maker. We have the garbage. This is the fridge. We try to keep it as minimal as possible, like magnets at the top. These are like IE's magnets, and then like the chip magnets. Show you guys what we have in the fridge. This little area, like I guess everybody has like their own area. I keep my salads and my stuff in this part. Then over here is like where I keeps other stuff, and then it's just like miscellaneous foods. The reason the fridge is pretty like, I don't know if I'd say this is packed, but like it is for 3 people. So Will, IE, and I. That's what it looks like. Let's close that. Then the other side is like frozen foods. We haven't gone grocery shopping recently, so we do need to pick up some pieces. We do eat a lot more fresh food, so that's why we don't have that much frozen products. And then here you guys can see it's such a beautiful view from the window. Let me show you guys the window here. It's massive and you get so much light. You can see like the garden from here. I really likes plants. There's a lot of plants here. Yeah, that's what the kitchen looks like. The kitchen has a lot more stuff. I mean, it's 3 people sharing a kitchen, but still, I really do like how big the kitchen is. Enough about the kitchen. Okay, so let's go to the room and the bathroom. This is the bathroom. The bathroom's a little bit on the smaller side, but I kind of don't mind as a minimalist. I think it's really good. And we keep everything quite minimal. That we use a shoe rack mounted on top of the toilet. Then there's the bathroom. There we go. Really nice, really cozy. It's actually pretty spacious. The reason the bathroom is on the smaller side is because the shower is quite spacious. It's a bit hard to see from here. And we keep the decor very minimalistic and very aesthetic. So it's like brown, hand towel. This little towel rack is also white, creams, and beiges to keep the aesthetic very minimal. And then we also keep the sink very minimal too. So like this is the dish soap, a cup for when Will brushes his teeth, and then just a clear container, just like a simple cup for putting in our toothbrushes. If you guys, hi. And if you guys want to see what's inside the cabinet, this is Will's stuff and this is my stuff. So I just use these clear containers. This used to be for like a little cupcake holder, and I just turned it into my makeup remover puff. And then I have this clear container from Muji, and I just keep all my serums in here and my face stuff. I think it's quite minimal. This is everything that I own for my face. Maybe it seems like a lot, but like I have my day and my night. So I have makeup remover, I have my day serum, my night serum, face spray, my hyaluronic acid, aloe, and jojoba oil. Oh, and sunscreen. Okay. Alright, so let's go into the room. Ta-da! So this is what the room's looking like right now. So over here, this is our bed. It's quite minimalistic, I think, or at least I advocated that we get a beige bedding to match the walls. I feel like it just creates like a very calm kind of feeling. These are things that I've owned for a really long time since I was in university. So I have a mirror here, and this mirror I've just taped up like my dream life to motivate myself, law of manifestation. I have this little lamp. I think you guys have probably seen in like I get rid of everything video. So it's like for my essential oils. I only have 2 and I just keep them there, and it just makes the room smell so good, and this looks so pretty at night. And then a Starbucks cup because I think it looks really cute and aesthetic. I don't know, I like that Pinterest vibe. Then down here I blow dry my hair. I have a little dish ring for rings, but as a minimalist I don't really have rings or much of them, so they don't really go in there. This was a gift from Will's cousin. I think it just matches that black and white aesthetic, so I keep it there. It's also for putting on rings. You just put them there. It's from Umbra. Yeah, and then I just have a mask. The electronics is pretty insane because of all of the things that I need to do, and I don't bother to hide it because it doesn't really bother me in all honesty. So here's my lamp. This is my office, and I'll probably be doing an office tour. It's not very minimalistic, or at least I feel that it doesn't need to be because I do a lot of work, so I'd rather have something that's functional and productive than something that looks aesthetic, and I'm not going to clean or fake what my desk looks like for a video. So yeah, this is me and all my productivity. Here is the mirror. Hey, yeah, I love this mirror. This little chair doesn't actually go there. I just put it there because I was filming my what's in my decluttering box. Yeah, that box is for putting things as I need to declutter. I put them in there and I let them sit for a month, and then once I'm ready to let go, then I let go of them. And that's my closet. I'll do a closet tour. Comment down below if you guys want a closet tour. It's pretty empty, I feel. So this is my side of the closet with my pieces. This cabin isn't even mine, it's the landlord's, but yeah, I keep all my stuff here. And I love how the clothing area is like tucked into the side so that like when you enter the room, you can't really see. It's like really clean. I don't know, I really like that a lot. So I'll be doing a closet tour if you guys want. Comment that down below. Anyway, about my desk tour, yeah, I should probably do a desk tour too. I think that would be really good, and I will probably clean it because this is kind of, it's a bit embarrassing. I can't really call this very minimalistic. Okay, so there we go. That is the house tour. It's really nice. The apartment is really small and cozy and lovely. I love this place. This has been by far one of my favorite places to have lived. I have lived in even smaller places my whole life, in government housing and then in the dorm room. So it is a really nice having upgraded to having like an actual like full-blown apartment with like my own room, my own bathroom, my own kitchen. So I'm really happy. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much to the subscriber for requesting this. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.